it's Nisha. So today I'm going to do another look number 2 with Charlotte Tilbury Stars in Your Eyes palette, and I think I am going to go for these darker browns, and I probably will choose something shimmering from the Power Eyes. So I feel like I'm going to use Power Eyes and Happy Eyes. Mind you, I might use Love Eyes as well, the lighter brown. We will see. Okay, so I'm going to start with the brown from Love Eyes. And I'm going to put it in a crease. And shade the outer 7 as well with it. So a lot of you were quite disgusted with the price of this palette, and yes, it is. It is probably the most expensive palette I've ever bought, but it is very good quality. It is a premium palette. Do you need it? No, I never said you have to buy it. I am a bit of a eyeshadow freak and collector, so, and like I said, this is my birthday present to myself. And yeah, it is very expensive, but when it comes to Charlotte Tilbury, I think the value for money is good, the value for money, because I think her quads are £39 each. So here you've got 4 quads, so this palette is almost half price of what you would pay if you bought 4 quads. That still doesn't change the fact that this is very expensive. You very often ask me about my mirror. This is my mirror. It's just a bathroom mirror that I bought a long time ago in a department store. So yeah, I can't give you the link for it or anything like that. Sorry, you can see it sticking out, but I am a bit blind now, so I need to bring it closer. So now I'm just blending it upwards with whatever I've got left on my brush. Okay, now I think I'm going to use Power Eyes, and I will use that first shimmery one to put on my lid. Now you always ask me about flat synthetic brush. My all flat synthetic brushes are really old. So like this one, I don't know where I got it from, but what you can buy is a small synthetic concealer brush. That's the sort of brush you want for all those metallic and foiled eyeshadows. Okay, this is very pretty pale gold. I am not a fan of like really yellow gold on my eyes. I think they look very lovely on brown eyes, but I'm not into it. Yeah, that's got beautiful pigmentation as well, and I'm not even packing it on like I normally do. Do you know, when I watch these tutorials back, it's awful really, isn't it? The difference on our mature eyes and the young eyes, when they put the eyeshadows, it's like a ice rink, you know, so even and smooth. Look at this, all loose skin and wrinkles. It looks like a screwed up baking foil. Okay, now I'm going to use Happy Eyes, and I will use the darkest brown, this one, and I will apply it right in my crease, just on like half the eye, I think, for now. Then I will take shading brush, and my favorite shading brush is the Real Techniques shading brush. And I go back again to that dark brown, and I'm going to shade my 7. So my Max has started his job, full-time job. It was so weird. I'm just going to blend it out with a clean brush now. It was so weird that morning when he was all dressed up going to work, and I thought, not so long ago I used to drive him every day to school, and my baby is a man that's got a job, but he's so excited, he loves it, and of course he can't wait for his first payday. He thinks he's gonna be very rich. So yeah, it's quite cute. I'm still going back in that dark brown and like deepening everything up, just playing and blending, because I love doing that. And in between you take that clean brush and try to always blend out the edges. I think I'm not so much into that gold. I might use, there is something even lighter in the Power Eyes, the one in the middle. I might use that on top with my finger. Yeah, that's better. I've never been into like really gold eyeshadows, I don't know why. I think when I've got more tan and my face is darker, then I quite like the tan, some sort of golds, you know. I think I'm going to shade a bit more with this dark brown. I want this to be quite dark. Just blend it into that gold a bit. Okay, and now I'm going to put that light brown, not light brown, well, this one from, no, I'm going to use that one actually, from the Happy Eyes, the middle brown, on my lower lash line. You know, I see so many people that don't use any eyeshadow on a lower lash line, and I always want to do it because I do like the look, but I don't know, I can't do it. I feel like my makeup is unfinished. Now on a little pencil brush, I'm going to go to that very dark brown from Happy Eyes. Just stubbed it in the wrong place. And just do the outer. You know, I never feel like my makeup is done properly when I do it on camera. It's because I rush. To me this is rushing, because I don't want these videos to be too long, and I still, you know, edit them and cut them a bit, so you don't see me sitting here for ages. I don't know, I just feel rushed when I do it on camera. Okay, I'm going to use again the Charlotte Tilbury brown pencil in Audrey. Just very thin line, and I only really do it from the half of my eye. I could wing it. And now I will put mascara on. So this sort of makeup that I've done, where I use the lighter one on the inner portion of my eye and darker, to me this is more like my everyday look. As soon as I start putting darker eyeshadows on my eyelids, smoking it a bit more, I feel it's a bit extra. but to some of you this is probably like New Year's Eve look, but you know me. I tell you what, I'm using this mascara so much because I just love the way that it comes off when I take my makeup off. I don't think I've ever had a mascara that came off so nicely as this one. With most other mascaras, you know, I end up with these panda eyes and it takes twice as long to take off my eye makeup, and this is really easy to take off. I can build this mascara so much. I do put a lot of mascara on my eyelashes. Okay, so eyes are done. I think for my lipstick I'm going to use the same thing that I used with the first look. I really liked it and I feel like you will go with this one as well. So the NYX Los Angeles lip liner. The Charlotte Tilbury Kim KW lipstick. My lip liner slipped up here because I always have a balm on my lips in the morning, so I should have wiped it all off, because then your lip pencil slides around. And the Jouer lip topper in Skinny Dip. And that's my look finished. Yeah, to me this is very much everyday look. Okay, now the earrings I'm wearing, this is half of the big pearl earrings that I sometimes wear that I bought in Zara last year. You know, one that has like a big pearl hanging down. You can wear them like that, or you can just take the top and wear this on its own. And I wore them to match this. This is my jumper from Zara. Jumper. Whenever I say jumper, I get all these questions from you from the US. What is a jumper? It's a sweater, basically. Anything knitted, it's a jumper. I don't know why it's called that. I don't do any jumping in it. It is weird, well, word, I suppose. So anything that is knitted top, it's a jumper, basically. But I've noticed that you in US call everything a shirt, and you would call something like this a shirt I'm wearing, and that's not a shirt. To us, shirt is something like a blouse. That's more of a shirt, you know, like a work shirt that you would wear, nice shirt with a collar. So yeah, but jumper is a sweater. All right, my lovely, so this was my Charlotte Tilbury Stars in Your Eyes look number 2. I'm sure I will do a couple more, but for now that's all. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you soon. Stay fabulous. Bye.